Hi friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can use the payment icon block from the Checkout Ninja app very easily. So you might have seen some Shopify online stores uses this kind of payment we accept with some payment icons which they displays which are accepted the payment methods which are accepted by the online store. So I will show you how you can configure similar kind of payment block in your Shopify store using the template. So let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So for setting this up, I'm using checkout extension Ninja app, which I have mentioned earlier, right? So I have downloaded this from Shopify App Store. I will be attaching the links to this app in this description box. You can just check it out and follow along with me. After installing the app, you can just go to the admin panel and click on Checkout Ninja app. A quick reminder that this kind of customization is available only for the Shopify Plus members. And now you can just go to the templates section and click on view all templates. Now you can just click on use template from the accepted payment methods. So there is nothing to do by yourself, but all the details will be filled up by default as it says a template one. And if you have any conditional visibility, you can just enable this button and add the conditional visibility criteria from this. There are a list of conditions showing up here. So if you otherwise you can just disable this so that the block will be available always at the checkout page and click on payment icon. So the title text we accept is one we have already added, and the size, color, alignment, those are customized ones. You can just change it to your style and your wish. Like everything will be filled by default, like the title alignment, whether it should be the center one, left or right. And you can just add payment icon method icons using this. There are a list of payment icons showing up here. You can just choose any from the list. What are the payment methods that the your store accepts? And if you want more, then you can click on add new item and add the payment method again. And the alignment goes center or left or right. You can just choose that too. The icon spacing, I'm just going with the base. You can choose the any as you wish. So the setup is done, and let's done this and make the status as active and go for saving it. After saving, you will be getting some block ID. So copy this block ID from the block details, and you can just check it out. Click on open checkout at the page. Now you have to add the custom block to the checkout like this, and you have to paste the block ID which you have copied earlier to this field. So you can see that the custom block has been created here successfully. And now the appropriate place for this to be have is the top one. So I'm not replacing to this block to anywhere else. If you want to replace this block to anywhere, you can just drag like this and keep it anywhere else. So I'm keeping this in the main section itself. So I have done. Let's save it. Now let's test this up in our online store whether it's coming or not in our checkout page. So I'm landing on the checkout page, and you can see that the payment icon block has been created here successfully. So that's how you can create a accepted payment method block in your Shopify checkout page very easily. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.